Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about training and specific task related training. First one is 100-meter sprint. In a sprint, the athlete must be trained to work anaerobically throughout the race. An example of how to do this would be interval training. Second one is century ride. The cyclist must be prepared aerobically for a bike ride of the 100 miles or more. The middle distance running. The athlete require both speed and endurance to gain benefit out of this training. The hard-working muscle are at their peak for a longer period of the time as they are being used at that level for the longer period of the time. The marathon, in this case, the athlete must be trained to work aerobically and their endurance must be built up to a maximum. Many firefighters and the police officers undergo the regular fitness testing to determine if they are capable of the physical demanding task required of the job. Members of the armed forces are often required to pass a formal fitness test. For example, the soldiers of the US Army must be able to pass the Army Physical Fitness Test (APFT). The hill sprints require a high level of the fitness to begin with. The exercise is particularly good for the leg muscles. The army often trained to do mountain climbing and races. The polymetric and the isometric exercises an excellent way to build the strength and increase the muscle endurance. Sand running creates less strain on the leg muscle than running on the grass or concrete. This is because the sand collapses beneath the foot, which softens the landing. Sand training is an effective way to lose weight and become fit. As more effort is needed, 1.5 times more to run on the soft sand than on a hard surface. The adjoining is a form of the exercise that decreases strain on the joints and bone. The water supply minimal impact to the muscles and bone, which is good for those recovering from injury. Furthermore, the resistance of the water as one jogs through it provides an enhanced effect of the exercise. The deeper you are, the greater the force needed to pull your leg through. Swimming. Squatting exercise help in enhancing a swimmer's start. For example, physical fitness activity to benefit an individual. The exertion must trigger a sufficient amount of stimuli. Exercise with a correct amount of intensity, duration, and frequency can produce a significant amount of improvement. The person may overall feel better, but the physical effects on the human body take weeks or months to notice, and the possible years for full development. For training purpose, the exercise must provide a stress or demand on either a function or tissue. To continue the improvement, this demand must eventually increase the little over an extended period of time. This sort of exercise training has three basic principles: overload, specificity, and progression. These principles are related to health but also enhancement of the physical working capacity. High intensity travel, high intensity interval training (HIIT) consists of repeated and short bursts of the exercise completed at a high level of intensity. These sets of intensity are followed by the predetermined time of the rest or low intensity activities. Studies have shown that the exercising at a higher intensity can have a effect increasing cardiac benefits for the human when compared to the exercising at low moderate level. Thank you so much guys. Keep watching, keep sporting.